Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Excellent Fashion. So viewers, I am back again with most demanding and most beautiful designs of haircut and hairstyle. I will suggest you to watch this video till end. Dear viewers, in this video you will see very beautiful women with beautiful haircuts, hairstyles and hair dyes. If you are liking my YouTube channel content, then I will suggest you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos with your friends and your family members so that they can also get amazing ideas about latest and trendy haircuts and hairstyles. In this video you can see different types of golden, silver and blonde pixie haircuts and hairstyles. And each woman can try this beautiful and stunning haircut to look stunning, gorgeous and stylish. This haircut will make you look confident, stylish. So viewers, I will catch you soon with latest content of women's fashion and style. Till then, stay connected and keep visiting my YouTube channel to get more ideas related to trendy haircuts and hairstyles.